staff. I don't like my friends.
Ain't no one like
wanna
my
help me
up,
build in
you
my
up,
community
you
world?
up, ain't no one like my
YouTube
friend. Yeah,
My
yeah,
VR died.
yeah,
See you later.
yeah.
Anybody wanna help me build in my YouTube video? Channel? Anybody wanna help me build in my
Guys, welcome to the video.
I will. I'm right here. You tagged me.
Do you want good
What you
blocks?
gonna do with that, buddy?
Yep.
You know what I could do?
What are you doing,
I'm Steve.
I own bikes. I own.
I made. Yeah, sure.
I own.
Raid the town!
Well, I don't own paid.
Alright, bad, bro, bad.
What?
Dan, I don't
That's light gray.
The map sucks.
Yes.
Who's your friend?
He's not my friend. He's
These
some
are-
random kid
these
that
are
gave
the
me
closest I
freaking
have to
free
white.
stuff.
These
Well,
are the
he's
closest
stupid.
I have to white.
Okay, guys, welcome to the video.
Oh my!
Hey,
I wanna do it with you. I wanna do it with you.
Go to some
I
other
wanna do
community
it
I'm
with
just
you.
trying to find something to be
Hey,
staff
hey,
and that's decent.
give me a community world to raid. Give me a community world to raid.
Is an exit. I thought I was stuck.
Hey, give me a
Yeeps,
community
bro, that's a
Give me
rare
a
name.
community world to raid. Give me a community world to raid. Give me
I'm just putting.
Don't touch me. I don't know.
mine.
Join blue up.
Hey, sir, with the cat hat.
I'm just kidding.
Stop recording me, please.
Put your headset on. Do you want me to give you a headset?
Why are you recording
Yeah.
people?
Probably the
That's not
biggest
nice.
back here. Yeah.
No, I want to play
You
Yeeps.
out of it? Yo,
That's
did
true.
this.
Yeeps. What's up?
Suck on me, bud.
You're disgusting.
Yeah, what is
Suck
going
on
on?
it.
I'm driving it.
Suck
That's kind
on
of
me.
weird, sir. Sir, that's kind of
Where
weird.
do you want me to drive you?
Hey, don't do
weird.
that.
Yo,
Yeah,
That's
suck on
kind,
me.
yeah, that's kind of
I
weird.
don't know what to
Don't-
try
don't do
driving.
that.
Try
Will you help me
driving.
in my community world?
I just start driving.
Do that. What you just
Good.
did.
Okay, I'll drive it.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Yeah, will somebody help me in my community world?
Y'all, my video's gonna get famous.
Want to do the funnest only up of your life? If you beat it, you'll get staff. Friend me if you want to do it. Shut up. Please don't ban me. Please don't ban me. Please don't ban me.
Yo, who let my
I want to get staff in only
You're
up.
doing cartwheels, bro. You're doing cartwheels.
What should I buy?
Yo, you like my car? You like my car?
What should I buy?
Yes.
1,160.
Yo, do you have the plane?
Oh, you.
Yeah, or my vid. My vid. Let me get my YouTube channel.
100.
Let me get my vid.
1,600 for the
Thank you, guys. Hey, bro. Hey, bro, what's your username?
Tell me that I could price save
Fartlord VVR.
I'm making a challenge.
Give a shout out to Fartlord VVR.
Hey, you guys.
I'm gonna give you a shout
There's
out.
two V's.
Guys, wait, do you guys wanna do it on the up?
Look at
staff?
username. Look at username.
Do you guys wanna do it on the up if you beat it? You get staff.
VR.
Yeah,
Wherever
so.
it is.
Hey, you two.
You get this.
You guys. Do you guys want to me up if
Sub
you beat
two?
it? You'll get
Me
staff.
too, bro. Okay.
Do you guys want to do that? Do you guys want to do it only up?
And do you have a plane
Oh my
for my
Yes.
vid? Can you do it for my vid?
Yes.
I am them. Guys, we're going to be on a plane ride.
You're in my sky, babe.
Oh yeah, I need a VR too to see it. Listen.
Yo, boys, boys. Should I save up or buy something from the tech web with 1,160 bucks?
And 3,000 visits.
Get started, bro.
Join Cozy Up.
Yo.
Join Cozy Up.
Sorry, I'm
Bro.
really terrible at driving.
For
but really
different maps.
good at driving. Twirl.
Lily, keep him right there.
I
Keep him
did.
right there.
Are you making me trying to drink this?
Oh, man, I was about to show him something. You.
Bro,
What?
why are you
I'm-
making
I'm
Should I
gonna
save up
video
for the
game
next
chat.
update, or should I buy something with 1,150?
Everyone,
Save up for the
my friend
next
needs to say
update.
something to you.
Oh, thank
Stop giving
you.
me
Join
quick bundle stuff,
Cozy
man.
Up. We have
What the hell is
44
this?
different
You.
maps. We have an
Oh
only
my
of
God, boy! I can't believe this
Flat
thing. I can't believe this box.
For you,
Yo, can you stop it? Yo, can you stop it? Stop.
42.
Yeah, why is he jumping like that? You're scary.
Yo, can I try to play now? Can I
Should
try
I
to
save
play?
up for the next
Look.
update, or should I buy something with
Up.
1,160 butt coins?
Spend all your butt coins.
Yeah. Don't.
Yes, do it.
Okay.
Get my vid back. Yo, let me try. Let me try.
Bro, you just made that
Let
kid
kids
broke,
have
man.
fun.
Okay.
Yeah.
You drop it?
Oh my God.
Stop.
Stop.
I don't have your controller.
Another controller. No, take the other controller at the same time.
I spent
Both
it.
of them. The other one too.
On wood.
Take the other one in the other hand. Take the other one in the
Hot.
other hand. No,
I
take.
just wanted to say
Yeah.
hi. People might
Join
think
Cozy
I'm
Up.
Pick it
dumb
up and then
too.
put it down. Pick this up and then put it down.
Or
Take
new
this
card
up?
medic achieved.
No, pick it up and put it
Who
down.
are you?
Pick it up.
A random guy.
Why are you jumping? Nice.
Oh, shoot.
No, it's a sheet. Okay. Yeah, it's a sheet.
Oh, shoot.
Just put your camera in it. And put on a VR.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Okay, let me put my camera on there.
Oh, yeah, you're one.
Yo.
I thought she was a girl.
Oh, yeah.
I hear you panicking.
Tony, you don't have a life, man,
You're
Tony.
not.
Hold up.
No, he was not. He's just stupid. He called 4 other people girls because he had no idea. He's just trying to find more girls. Why am I
know.
moving? What
Hold
the
up.
heck?
Yeah.
Yo, I don't see my...
He's just lonely.
Beautiful name. Lime Tech Web. You're lonely. You're
Can we put my
lonely too.
camera in there?
Nuh-uh,
Yes, please.
because I have... You're here, so I'm not lonely.
Yo, it's inside of here. Take this out
No,
of
it's
here,
not even
right?
like a relationship, man. I am lonely.
Oh, shoot. What is inside of here?
Yeah, who?
It's a broom.
How do you take it out?
Exactly.
I don't know. I try to take it out.
You're my your friend. You have someone. My friend named.
I'm done with this.
Sorry.
My friend's name is...
Yo, can you give me a new one? Someone put a... Trying to put my camera inside.
Wait, give me the camera. Give me the camera.
How is
Give me the
Lime
camera.
Tech Web? How is Lime Tech Web not
Marty.
Cow.
Bro, why are you showing the Marty?
First next.
Bro, behind you.
The Smarty. It's called- His
Behind
name
you.
is the Smarty.
Why do you guys look exactly the same?
We're
Join
twins.
Cozy Up. We're triplets, actually. 3.
Yeah, we're triplets.
Let me put it in.
Yo, your
Oh,
bottom
put it in,
wallet.
put it
You're
in.
wearing the wrong bottom.
For this hand,
I
click
don't
this
have that. Wait,
button.
let me check.
Click,
Skedaddle,
click
boy.
Y. Click Y.
You don't even look like us, bro.
The other controller.
I'm his
Wallet.
friend.
I'll just show you.
No, I'm clicking one.
Oh, guacamole.
Give me the other
They
controller.
kicked me.
Here.
Alright, much
Use
better.
it for the other controller.
Much better.
Oh,
Now
shoot.
click
Bro, those
Click
are no
B.
bottoms. Just
Click
wear
B.
white bottoms, man.
with another
No, I'm clicking
controller.
Y now. I'm clicking Y. It
No,
doesn't
click
work.
B. It only works with B.
Oh, does it?
Now get the other one. Get the other one on your other hand. Now click B.
Hey, only real ones know this.
No,
the old way of
No,
transportation.
B, not Y.
Uh-huh.
No, I'm clicking B.
Yeah.
No, like,
First snacks. Why is
on
This is my
this
B controller. This is...
Oh,
yeah.
click Y. Click Y. Click Y.
That's Melody. First snacks. You think if you ask Cody
Hey, guys,
how to
do
sound,
VR.
Get ready for the plane, bro.
Put on the VR. Put on the VR.
We're on VR? Okay,
On the
give it to
VR.
me.
No, it's a triplet. It's a triplet.
Wait, hold up.
Yeah, look.
It's first snacks and
No, just put on the VR. Put on the VR.
Ah, did you guys plan this?
Why are you sitting on me? I got a hurt bit, so I got
Okay,
that
what?
VR fit.
Oh, this is fun.
Wait, are y'all getting Cozy Cottage?
Hey,
Yeah, the plane's kind of hard. Whoa.
I'm eating Coquita.
what?
Yeah, planes are kind of hard. You are right, bro. Planes are kind of hard, bro. Yo.
What did the cookie turn out like?
It was black.
Plane incoming. Plane incoming. Plane incoming.
For all of them? Well, not like that. Not like that. Not like that.
Wait, what do you mean not like that?
And then I opened it to go.
What happened to Cozy Cottage?
Wow. Hey, I can see what I'm doing now.
What?
Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. It's me. It's a oh shoot. The chicken jockey. Yo, hi to my body though.
Yeah, chicken the jockey.
You're like the
Yo, look at my VR, bro. Looks sick. Yo, I appreciate this guy joining our video. Wow.
Oh,
I'm gonna post it on YouTube, bro.
To play
This video's kind of sick.
We have to be 13 to even post videos.
Fake.
Yeah, 13. What do you mean? Yeah, someone's 12 posting
I'm
videos.
just so stupid.
So, they're not doing the right thing then.
Perfect. It was
Yeah, why are they not doing the right thing?
It was fun.
They could get banned. You know that.
I know, right?
Yo, Yeeps. Yo, Yeeps. If you can ban this guy, not this guy that just did the video.
Twinning tower.
Huh.
Alright,
That
buddy.
was kind of sick, bro.
No.
Why would they even do it when they're 11 or 12 again?
Who knows? I don't know.
They're weirdos. You have the tank? That's crazy. Hey, stop
I'm
shooting.
moving you.
I love. Yo, that was sick. Oh shoot, we did a catch. No! No, my VR! Where did it go? Yo, my VR. Where did it go?
Please be my best friend. Where do you want to go? Please, Yeeps. Where's Yeeps? Not like this, bro. This is how you ask Yeeps to be.
I'm going
You're
high.
my best friend.
Hi, bro. You have to go pick up your airplane.
Yo, don't shoot me, please.
Look, I can do backflips too, bro. I can do backflips. I'm really bad at doing it.
Come with me.
Toom, 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 toom. Toom, 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 toom. Yo, my VR's about to die soon, but I'm charging it while I'm playing.
Then,
I
please.
bet this guy probably has like 9K or something.
Then leave and plug your headset in and you can send.
Nah, bro, I'm just charging it when I'm playing, bro. Kind of easy. And please like and subscribe. Well, this is not the end of the video, but I'm just telling you. Oh yeah, bro, this is so. Chicken
Why are you
drop.
behind me in the game?
What you got? Do not look at me. Pay attention to my plane. I didn't buy the plane, but the cat bought the plane for me. I have the car. Yo, look, I'm going in around in circles, bro.
It's mine.
He was in my fridge.
Yo, do you have all the vehicles? I'm like, what? I have everything but the blue one. No, I have everything but the cars and the other kinds of planes. Why is my thing spinning? The thing's automatically
Toom, 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 toom. My Zaya
It's
too.
automatically spinning. What is going on?
Yo, my thing, you hit a backflip. Hit a backflip right now. Yo. Okay, guys.
I
Hold up.
returned into the actual dash thing.
I can do slide.
Oh.
Everyone join Cozy
Hi.
up, man. Come on.
Everyone, go listen to this dude.
Yeah, everyone join nothing up.
Bro, take off your headset. This is me.
Bro,
I
she said
can
don't
can do. Look at me. Look at my thing.
You killed him.
Yo.
You killed him. Join Cozy up.
Okay, now I'm gonna get on my headset. Stop trying to steal me, bro. If you want to steal me, come and get me, bro. You have to come and get me. Come and get me if you want to steal me. Nah, steal my airplane. Woohoo! Woohoo! Nobody can steal my airplane now.
We have 44 maps. We're trying to get on the popular page. Doing good, cozy up. We're trying to get on the popular page. We have 44 maps, and we
bloomer.
yeah.
Too bad yours can't even fly. Yo, look at my airplane.
Complete your core.
Oh, he's my best friend.
Bloomer.
I'm friendly. Hey guys, I think I'm trying doing a round now. Yeah, you see me? Okay.
Cozy up. We have 44 maps, and there's PvP levels.
What did she say? Oh my God, you're a 5-year-old.
Yo, hi to your ducky, bro.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna drive 2 airplanes at once.
I'm not 5-year-old. This kid was trying to be
I don't try to.
Any credit for it.
Bro, they have 2 cameras. I have 2 cameras connected.
For real?
Yes, look. Take off your headset.
Let me see. Let me see.
Same time. Look at it. Look at my airplane.
Okay, bet. Go, 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 go. Doodle, doodle. Yeah, that do that.
We keep crashing into each other.
Let me check if I can.
We're doing cool stuff.
Alright, come here.
Timber died.
Help, I got inside the house.
Okay, bro, can I try to take now, bro? I want to try to the tank. I try to take now, bro.
Someone say,
Hold up.
this thing is banned in
I
Brazil.
didn't even know
It's
you
coin
were over
flipping.
there.
Ooh, yo, can I get one of those jets?
And dude, the only reason why is because they said it's gambling. It's because
That is
people
not
started
gambling. That is not gambling.
That's crazy.
You wanna see my band map that I applied.
No, there's a difference
Take off one of your
between
controllers.
gambling and then just choosing fate.
Okay, let me use the tank,
Gambling is
bro.
you
Take off one of your
putting something on the
controllers
line
real quick.
like money or your
This is
life.
like auto connecting to you.
Yeah, I think that.
I
There we
use your
go. Thank
tank
you.
now. I use your tank now.
Do that.
I use your tank now, bro.
I'm working
Yep.
on a kind of rip-off for second, not really.
I'm really gonna follow you, bro.
I don't even know how to
Oh,
like
what
use
the
these
hell?
really, but
Well, I'm making my own for second, like my own characters, all of that. Not like I'm not gonna have Cool Kid or John Doe, like
John
Like-
broke.
nah, bro,
I mean,
nah,
you
bro.
wanna
It's not gonna
see
be like
mine?
don't play Yeeps on March 18th or something.
Yeah, bro, get out of the VR. Have your VR, bro.
Join the BAM!
Have your VR, bro.
Join the BAM!
This is the last car we're gonna do, guys, and that's all for the vid.
Where are we?
Infinite, where are we going? Infinite, where are we going?
Do more? Okay, bet.
You'll see.
We'll do more. We'll do more. We'll do more.
Wait a minute, can I go with you guys? What's the community code?
Nah, I don't feel like it. Hello? Is he, why is he not?
Yes,
Okay, why is it not showing up?
can't hear you.
We're chase 2.
Yo, my tank could do backflips.
Anybody come reach my own way up? But mine is re-up. W-E-U-P, re-up.
You raise it up to me.
W-E-U-P.
Hey, yo, if anybody wants to test out my horror map, add me.
E-U-P.
Oh my god, what am I doing?
You're eating your toes.
You're eating your toes. You are right.
Man, I wish I could hold my. What the hell?
It's
You.
me.
I'm gonna beat you up. Let's go, bro. Come on.
That it would beat me up because it's a metal tank. What is this? Backflip. Too slow.
Hey, yo, if anybody wants to test out my horror map, add me. Wasn't I just in this lobby? What?
Somebody told me if I want a free bundle. Somebody asked me if I want a free bundle.
Get this B after
yes.
the take, bro. Get this
No,
B
no.
in the take.
Why?
They were giving me a bundle that I don't own, and they were trying to do the like thing where it looks like you're giving somebody a bundle.
Hi, bro. Welcome to my vid, bro. Welcome to my vid.
Everybody knows.
Yo, guys, you're never gonna find me.
Please join Justin.
No.
I'm in
no,
VR, bro.
no.
I'm in the
Please join
VR
Justin.
thing.
Why does everybody have on the yellow hoodie, bro?
I'm in the VR thing. I'm in the VR thing. I'm in
Bro,
the
be
VR
quiet. Be quiet, be quiet, be quiet, be quiet, bro. Don't watch all this.
Never mind. You took
thing. Sound like my dad. And no, not 50. To the moon. Oh, yeah. It get hit by 10 explosions at once. Damn, that's
Imagine
100?
you get killed by.
Oh, shoot.
They're trying to
Stop it.
Who knows where any test dummies are? I need to hit a test dummy.
There's one in my community, bro. There's one in my community.
I'm with your yappy.
What map do they have a test dummy in? Bro, what map do they have a test dummy in?
You're so weird, bro. Stop. Oh, y'all have no friends.
Guys, you should join Only
sure about
Bro,
Plus.
you're just getting mad for me.
Guys, join Only
The friends that your parents
Plus.
paid to be your friend.
You should
Yeah.
join Only Plus. It's such a good
What the
community.
hell is
mode.
only
You should join it.
What's
So good.
Only Plus?
Yeah. Please join Only Plus. Hey, bro, join
You're not gonna be in this mood.
Plus.
Hey, bro. Who wants to see banned winter maps? If you do, join the everybody, join the code BAMWIN. Nope, I'm questioning. Do you have dummies? Cat dummies? Cat dummies. I don't know.
Hey, if anybody wants to beta test my horror map, add me.
I want to here, I'll try. Which guy? Which guy?
I'm up here.
You look like
I'm
you
usually
look
the-
like
Oh, that's a mobile player. I'm like, no, he's not. Alright, everybody that added me, join friends. And if you didn't add me, then you're.
This is robbery. I did add you. Did you accept it? We're friends. The cannon. What cannon?
Guys, that's the end of the video, bro. Hopefully these dumb bitches. Okay, bye, guys.
Ready.
Next video. Bye.
He has the same hat as me. He's copying me.
That was like. I forgot what it was called, but.